everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about something that affects all of us, money. Whether we like it or not, money is an essential part of our lives. From paying our bills to buying food and clothing, money is needed for almost everything. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of money and how it impacts our lives. Money is a basic necessity. Money is the most basic necessity of life. It's required for our basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. Without money, we can't survive in this world. It's crucial to earn and manage money properly to ensure a comfortable life. Money brings security. Money provides us with a sense of security. With enough money, we can prepare for the future and protect ourselves against unexpected events like accidents or illnesses. We can also secure our family's future by saving for their education and retirement. Money enables us to pursue our passions. Money enables us to pursue our passions and hobbies. It provides us with the means to travel, explore new things, and enjoy life to the fullest. Having money also allows us to invest in our talents and skills, which can lead to more opportunities and success. Money creates opportunities. Money opens doors to many opportunities. With enough money, we can start our own businesses or invest in new ventures. We can also donate to charities or support causes that we believe in. Money can create opportunities for us to make a positive impact on the world. Money can reduce stress. Financial stress is one of the most common types of stress. By having enough money, we can reduce our stress levels and focus on other aspects of our lives. Money can help us achieve a better work-life balance, improve our mental health, and overall well-being. In conclusion, money is an essential part of our lives, and its importance cannot be ignored. It provides us with basic necessities, security, opportunities, and the ability to pursue our passions. It's crucial to manage money properly and use it wisely to ensure a comfortable and fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.